Hey art enthusiasts, what are you up to in these pandemic times? Penkraft DIY kits could be the solution for all your artistic needs. Penkraft has many unique and creative do-it-yourself art kits. So let's take a look at the Dot Mandala on tea coasters with stand DIY kit. In this kit, you get a tea coaster stand and a set of 6 tea coasters. You also get a set of 6 acrylic colors. And of course, you also get dotting tools. These are all the materials you need to make your masterpiece, which means that this kit is ready to use. And here's the real cherry on the cake. You get a free video tutorial tailored for an easy and efficient learning experience. So, have you ordered your Penkraft DIY kit yet?